This is the new SJCAM C400. It's a 3-in-1 modular 4K action camera that promises up to 7 hours of continuous recording. Today, we're putting those claims to the test. Let's get into it. It looks a lot like the DJI Pocket until you realize it comes apart and now you have a camera and a remote control. And you have view screens on both the remote control and the actual camera itself. Put it back together and you have a vlogging camera. It also comes with a ton of accessories. SJCAM did not send me a bag, so I have my own carrier here, but you have all of your standard action camera accessories that allow you to attach to the different types of mounts. They have the ones with the 3M tape on the bottom to mount to surfaces. They have the one with the clip that clips to your backpack. They have the waterproof case, which gives you 30-meter depth for recording underwater. They also have the lanyard with the magnetic mount. And now you have a body cam. Comes with some additional 3M sticky and a wiping cloth. And of course the regular bungee strap here attaches to the camera so you don't drop it. But the coolest thing is what this little thing is capable of since it is modular. We'll go through some of the features here in a minute. Let's talk about what makes it a 3-in-1. So first of all, it is a vlogging camera, right? So you can vlog with it just like you would. And then separately, once you remove it from the remote, then it becomes an action camera that you have all of the different attachments here for: underwater, clip, lanyard, all of that fun stuff. I think they should actually call it more than 3-in-1 because this thing is also a dash cam. It's got a dash cam mode that automatically detects when power comes on. It starts recording in a loop and then shuts off when power goes off. So if you're using it in your vehicle as a dash cam, it automatically comes on and off. Super neat. I'll show you that in a few minutes. So this is 2 of the 3-in-1. And then it becomes a remote viewing device when you use both the remote viewer and you can position the camera anywhere you need to for additional footage. And so now you can see whatever the camera is seeing. This is super handy for a lot of different scenarios, especially when you're shooting solo. But another thing that I've used this for that I haven't seen anyone else mention, it makes a really good inspection camera. Imagine needing to get up under your vehicle or down under the hood and look at some tight spots. Works wonderful for that. Real quick, I want to share some exciting news about the channel. Now that the channel's just over a year old, I've decided to take it to that next level and enable channel memberships. Now, of course, you can subscribe and it's completely free, and I hope that you do. But in addition to that, if you want to help support the channel, you can become a channel member for less than a cup of Starbucks. With that, you'll get priority responses to your comments because as the channel gets bigger, it's gotten to the point to where I can't respond to every comment. You'll also get other perks along the way, like members-only content, early access to videos, and direct access to me through email. So if you have some questions or problems or need some consulting, you can access me directly through email as a paid member. I will also continue to add more perks, so please consider becoming a member, but if not, that's okay. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel really helps me grow the channel and get me to that goal of 50,000 subscribers. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. Let's talk about the specs. The C400 shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second and snaps 16 megapixel photos. It uses a f/.8-inch CMOS sensor with a wide 154-degree field of view. For stabilization, it's important to note it does not have a mechanical gimbal. Instead, it uses a 6-axis gyroscope for electronic image stabilization and features horizon steady to keep your shots level. It also has plenty of shooting modes like time-lapse, slow motion, up to 8x, just a little time-lapse of a storm rolling in right before dark, and even a dash cam mode that auto records when power is connected. The dash cam mode is not a gimmick. Once it detects power, it automatically cuts on when it's in dash cam mode. That was it cutting on. And while in dash cam mode, it also records audio. I thought at first that would be a gimmick, but it is a legit dash cam. How about a little inspection cam footage? Just a little vlogging around the house. The sun was out today, so there is some glare on the lens, but that's not the camera's fault. This is what the audio sounds like on the C400. I need to do something about these ant vids. It also has a webcam mode, but you're kind of stuck in a fishbowl due to the wide angle lens. In regular camera mode, there's a setting in there for anti-distortion that you could turn on that corrects it. However, it doesn't appear to work in webcam mode. Could also be that I don't know what I'm doing, and that could easily be fixed with a firmware update or third-party software. Now this is where the C400 really tries to stand out. Most action cameras die after about 2 hours. The SJCAM claims that when paired with the battery grip, the C400 can record 4K video for 7 continuous hours. That is huge for long-form bloggers or travel videographers who hate swapping batteries. On the back, you have a 2.29-inch rotatable touchscreen. The UI is gesture-based. Swipe down for the control center, left or right to swap between photo and video. Also supports dual-band Wi-Fi for fast file transfers via the SJCAM Zone app. There's 2 versions of the SJCAM. The flagship C400 includes the full kit with the wireless controller handle. Also, you can get the C400 Pocket, which is just the action camera without the remote control handle. So, who's it for? If you're a vlogger or adventurer who needs extreme battery life and hates carrying extra rigs, this modular design is a winner. Just remember, it uses electronic stabilization, not a gimbal, so manage your expectations accordingly. I did forget to mention the kit that I received came with a 64GB micro SD card for storage. Shout out to SJCAM for sending me the C400 to try out for you guys. I'll put links in the description if you want to check it out. At $199 for that full kit, that is cheaper than the entry-level GoPro, and it has a lot of features. I really enjoyed using it, and when I'm not using it for YouTube, it stays in my truck as a dash cam. Pretty awesome. Drop a comment below, tell me what you think, if it's something that you might check out. Do me a favor, please like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to take it to that next level, you can become a member of the channel to help support the channel and keep it growing. Help me get to that 50,000 subscriber goal. Don't forget to check out some of these other video suggestions. And as always, thank you for watching, and until next time.